Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a program to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Let us write the preprocessor directives. Hash include in an angular brace we'll write standard input output .h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace we'll write console input output .h header file. Here we are going to write void main function curly open brace, and now I'm going to declare all the necessary variable which are to be used in the program with data type int n, sum is equal to 0 and then I is equal to 1 and put semicolon. Now let us write CLR SCR function which is used to clear the screen. Now we will ask the user to enter the number using printf statement. In the double quotation mark I'm going to write enter the number, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Now we are going to receive the response from the user through keyboard using scanf statement. Here in a double quotation mark we'll write %d comma ampersand of n and put semicolon. And now we are going to use while condition. Here I'm going to write I is less than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n. Why? Because it has to take up to n value. Next curly open brace. Here I'm going to write sum is equal to sum plus I and put semicolon, and I value has to be incremented. For that I'm going to write I plus plus, then curly closing brace indicates this is the termination point of a while statement. Now we are going to print the value stored in sum. Here using printf in a double quotation mark I'll write sum is equal to %d format specifier, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and then I'm going to write some variable and put semicolon. Here I'm going to write get ch function and then curly closing brace for main function. Now let us take an example. Here I'll write output. Once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the number. For example, I'm going to enter 5. So here the purpose of the program is to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Natural number always starts from 1. That's the reason I is equated with value 1. Okay. Next, after this, whatever the number that I'm going to type, it will be stored in n. Right now I have typed 5. So that will be stored in the variable n using this scanf statement. Now we are going to check the value of I is less than or equal to n or not. I value for the first time 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, so it is true. Then both of these two statements will executed. So sum is equal to sum, for the first time it is 0. If this particular variable is not equated with value 0, then the variable may consisting of garbage value. So garbage value means this particular variable may be holding any value which was previously executed by the program. So in order to reset the previous value with 0, we have to write sum is equated with 0. Next you can see plus I. I value for the first time it is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 will be stored in sum. By incrementing the value of I by 1, that is I plus plus, again control transfers to while loop. Now I value is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Once again sum is equal to, now sum value is what? 1. 1 plus I value is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 will be stored in sum. Again it is going to increment the value of I by 1. Now I value is 3. Again control transfers to while. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Then it is going to perform sum is equal to sum. Now sum is 3 plus I value is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6 will be stored in sum. Again it increments the value of I by 1. Now I value will become 4, and then the control transfers to while. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Once again this particular statement will get executed. Sum is equal to, sum is what? 6 plus I value is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again it increments the value of I by 1. Now I value is 5. Again control transfers to while. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Once again we are going to execute sum is equal to, sum value is 10 plus I value is 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is 15. Again it increments the value of I by 1. Now I value will become 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5? No. Condition fails. Once the condition fails, the control comes out of this looping structure and it is going to print the next statement. So here sum is equal to will be printed as it is. Next, percentage D is associated with the variable sum. Here the variable sum is holding value 15. So sum is equal to 15 will be printed. Here you can manually also you can calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 gives us 15. So you can see 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler to save your time. And now let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success. That means there is no syntax error. And now I'm going to press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter the number. For example, I'm going to enter 5 and I'll press enter. Here you can see it is displaying sum is equal to 15. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.